Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of s4ce342. Today we have a 2004 Chevrolet Suburban 2500 GMT 800 chassis. Silver birch exterior. She's a little bit rusty, so none of that matters to you guys. Gray leather interior. Not in the greatest of shape, but we got some good functioning power seat tracks. Those are always a hot ticket on the old GMT 800 chassis. Second row seat, not really that great looking as well, but we got a nice third row in it. We got some good door panels. The usual. Oh, completely out of fuel. Typical GMT 800 owner. We do have a CD in though. What were we listening to? Come on, baby. Straightway 3. All right, I gotta know. Inquiring minds. How do I get over to CD on this girl? Master window switches. No bueno. Are there any tracks on this? No. Okay, well, whatever. Non-functioning CD player. No ability to test the mirrors other than the turn signals work. Four-wheel drive, why not? Let's try it. Oh, parking brakes on. That might help. Reverse. Drive. Okay. I also just realized it's not showing a prindle. That's weird. Something's going on with this truck. That's probably why it's totaled. Anyways, guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of our 2004 Chevrolet Suburban 2500. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen here, head on over to our website, jnjautowrecking.com. Guys, I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching. Remember, Bitcoin saves your wealth, Jesus saves your soul, seatbelts save lives. You're going to need all three.